So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add custom user attributes and inputs to Thenty. So for example, on sign up here, I might actually want to add a new unique input for say location to actually ask them where they're based on sign up. So to do this, I'm going to open the Thenty plugin. We're going to go to settings. We're going to go down to user data fields. Now, this is where I can add the unique data fields that we actually want to collect. Now, if I scroll down to the bottom here, we can add a new data field. And in this case, we're going to call it location and we'll press on save. Now you'll notice we're going to create a new field here, which is called location. And what we're actually going to do is just copy and paste a new input here. And this one here, we're going to leave the input type as text, but we're actually going to set it to be the exact ID as it's written here. So in this case, we need to set the name to be custom.location. And then I'll also add a placeholder in here too. So we'll just call it city. And we can also change the label here. So we'll call it location. And that's it. So now when I actually publish my website, essentially when someone goes and signs up for my application, they can now actually add in a location. So let's say Melbourne, and then that'll get saved along to their account.